Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today we're going to be installing the wiring for our passenger side headlight. Now the passenger side headlight on the harness is actually the larger section of harness. The driver's side is going to be the shorter part, but we've already got the headlight in the bucket, we've got the retainer ring all installed, we've got the socket plugged in from the back side, and the wires are coming out the bucket on the rear. So we've already got this all set up, so let's go ahead and take a look at what the back side of this wiring looks like. All right, so this is what the back side of this is going to look like. You can see there are two wires that are coming out of the back side of the bucket, and there's a grommet that goes there. Now there's one of two different ways that you can put this grommet in. You can either unplug the brass plugs that go into the back side of the socket and fish them through before you put the headlight bulb in place, or in this case, we've already plugged it all in. All you have to do is just make a little slit on this wiring grommet, wrap it around those two wires, and then push it into place once you've got everything installed. So let's move on to the next part. So this is actually going to trace underneath this grille section and across and back over to the driver's side of the vehicle. So it'll fit right up underneath the grille like so, and back over to the junction block where you're going to connect the driver's side to the passenger side. I hope that helps. That's installing your lighting.